Welcome to Tutorials by Artistro. Today, we will learn how to paint a sunset step by step with Artistro watercolor sets. Before you get started, take a look at the colors used and prepare your watercolors in advance. But of course, you can always let your imagination flow and deviate from the natural colors to color it as you please. First, sketch the horizon line and the sun with a pencil. We will work using the wet technique. This is a watercolor technique when the paint is applied to paper already wet with water. Start drawing from the sky. Apply from top to bottom to the horizon of the paint mill. Blue to pink, making a smooth stretch of the color, leaving an unpainted place for the sun. This is how the glow effect is obtained. For the sea, use turquoise, mixing blue with green. Draw based on the rules of aerial or atmospheric perspective. The background is always lighter and blurred, and the foreground is brighter and more contrasted. In watercolor, the main rule is to paint from light to dark. Apply the paint in stripes, creating the effect of waves blurring to the horizon. Also add a little touch of pink. This is a reflection of the sky in the water. After the paint has dried a little, apply a second layer in some places. Add accents to the clouds and to the sea waves. When the image is completely dry, peel off the masking tape strips or use an eraser to remove unnecessary watercolor stains to create even borders. The amazing watercolor sunset is ready. Get inspired and creative with Artistro.